All right, here we go. See what we catch today. All right, we're spending the day at Lake Hemet. We're gonna be hiking around, see what cool spots there are. See what we catch today. We got some. These are garlic worms. The guy suggested it at the stop shop, whatever.
Homeless man right there.
Homeless man here. We got Shiza right in front of us. The old trusty fishing rod. All right. The weather feels pretty good. It's only like 55, almost 60 is what it feels like. Nice and cool. Just a little bit of wind, but not too bad. We got the Russian over here. He's not really Russian. He likes to dream. He's just crazy. Cool little cliff.
You know, now I'm thinking about it, I should have brought the bucket.
Yeah.
Could have used it as a seat.
But you don't have one of those strings that you would hook them into?
What?
What are those that go in the ground and it's the string?
The other thing.
Dude, that'd be a badass picture to get somebody on. It's fucking rock. We're just fat. Wow, take a look at that.
You want to try here? Because it's people over there.
Yeah, I think it goes that way and then we can hit that spot. I kind of want to go away from like nerds. Zaneds. It's a great day to go fishing.
I thought I was recording. It's been off the whole time.
Yeah, I just leave mine on the whole time.
Oh, I don't know. So can't catch me a girl. Won't catch me a fish.
What? You know, it'd be funny, cause I just turned it on and hit the thing without looking. It'll be funny if it's not even doing shit. Fucking talking to myself like I'm cool.
You're not.
Yeah, I know. We got some shit sort of.
George is around.
Huh?
He's using trails.
I can hear him. I can hear him now. He pops out the bush. Probably go down here, huh? Let's check it out. Still keeps going, but we're gonna cut through here and see what's up. Oh, yeah, I know. It's an apple. Oh, that's dope. They painted this rock into an apple that's cut in half. You can see the seeds in there. We're at the apple rock. This is a pretty good spot, Shiza. Pretty good spot. This is actually perfect. You got the comms, right? Oh, your pole. Right. See what I did here. Bam. All right. See, I got a good size, right? That's what she said. All right. Enough of the jokes. Fulalas with a little bit of mold. Look at. Ah, what the fuck? It gives it very good flavor because it's moldy. Duh. All right, little. You are the lucky one. Oh, that's right. So we're gonna crimp these little We're gonna crimp these little, I don't know what they're called, but on the hook, we're gonna crimp them down so we can.
That's what it's called.
We're gonna, yeah, the little thing sticking out. We're gonna crimp them down so we can catch and release. Whoops.
When they brought them fucking up.
Alright, I used too much force because I'm incredibly strong. Alright, I think that's it.
Fat ass fucking worm.
He thinks he's gonna live.
Damn, that's a
but
big
he's gonna
one.
die today.
She said.
I may be hooking this wrong, so don't judge me, guys. I am not a professional. I guess that's it. I mean, I'm not sure. I think I'll take over this little end over here. Wind seems to be blowing that way anyway. Got to catch yet, but Caesar's down there. Hopefully we get something. I mean, the guy at the shop said that people were catching 9-pound fish out here using this bait that he suggested. It smells like garlic fed. Ah, shit. Try to move side to side. Caesar got stuck on something. She's a big one. Imagine. That'd be cool. First catch. I did forget to bring my pole holder that goes in the ground, so I'm just using it shoved between some rocks, but it'll work for now. Caught on something. Damn rocks. I might have to cut it. I think I gotta cut mine. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, I got my weight back. My trusty old weight. Trusty old weight. Oh, you're putting a power bait on there? Where's they at? Over there?
Yeah. This is the one I crimped. Because if I lose this one, like whatever.
Yeah.
The other ones are like, I think the ones I have are like specialty ones. Those like the fish, but to keep. You know? But I don't have I should have bought a fucking scale. I was debating and I should have bought it. I like this.
Cause then listening to music just makes you think again. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I am not a professional, so if I tie this stupid, I mean, just know I'm trying, and I thought that counts, so I will get better, I promise that. So I do know I gotta spin it 7 to 8, pull down. This is braided line, so it should be stronger than the nylon, or whatever you call it. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this little tag close as I can, not too much, because that's what I do know. I want to leave a little room, a little wiggle room. I had a bobber, I don't know where it went. The little clip-on ones? Back, AK Builder, shout out. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you don't. Wait, what? Wait, where they at? Big one? Up. Gotta seize.
Big song is a big song.
Big daddy. What?
Four.
Eh? No. Trying to turn the volume up. Shizol, can you hear me?
Unfortunately, yes.